what's up? I'm Bianca.
And I'm Kiara.
And the Rosette Twins. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are joined with... So, today's video is not sponsored, but we decided to talk about making it or baking it. Woo! So, making it is the, like, you build, like, furniture type things, and then it plays during the rest
everyday
of the
appliances,
yes.
everyday things.
And then Bake It is their show that airs during the holiday season where they bake Christmas like desserts. So a few weeks ago we had the opportunity to go to the Make It or Bake It FYC event. We got to see Amy Poehler and the rest of the writers and producers.
Queen.
Yeah, Queen. We're gonna implement
Leslie Knope.
Leslie Knope.
You love that show?
I love Parks and Obsessed.
Favorite. Fun fact, we were on episode 1 of Parks
Two.
of Parks and Recreation. We were very, very little. If you want to see us, you'd have to really like look real
For the
long.
2.5 seconds.
Yeah, but we were in there.
Who were you?
So that was the episode where Leslie and I forgot their name.
Anne.
So Leslie and Anne are going to people's houses and asking for people to go to their sign a petition or go to their town council meeting. And so one of the people who they go to, we play that person's daughter.
Oh wait, that's so cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go when I go home today. I'm gonna go watch
They're on
it
a
for you guys.
I'm on a swing.
I'm on a swing.
Americans that it would be a good idea to turn the abandoned lot on Sullivan Street into a beautiful community park.
Oh, actually, no.
We're
not
the
really.
little
child on the
Very
swing
noisy.
set.
Literally
Keeps
the
all the
swing
time.
You see her face in
Would you change your
Good
mind
Night
if I
at some
told you
point.
that 9 out of 10 meth users said the same exact thing?
What? How would you even know that?
Survey. We surveyed crystal meth users.
We're actually having a little town meeting tomorrow.
Okay, so while we were at this event, they had a cooking decorating kit that you can decorate while you're at the event or that you can decorate right now. So we're gonna decorate it right now. And also, I forgot to say,
Bait Shop.
I said a few weeks ago we went to this
Sweeties.
event, and by the time we're filming this, it was not a few weeks ago, it was a few days ago.
Here we go.
Yeah, let's do
So we
this.
have 2 color choices with icing, I see.
Green.
Green and blue. And then it looks like we each get 3 cookies
Yeah.
with 3 different shapes.
Yeah.
So, although it is summer, we have a tree. Could be a Christmas tree.
Are you coming to the tray? Are you coming to the tray?
Are you coming to the tray?
I am coming to the tray.
You better. So we have a house, sweet butter shortbread house, and then we also have a very random hammer. Okay, so we have all that, and then it looks like we have some Sweeties colored sprinkles. And fun fact, in my hometown in Pennsylvania, nobody called sprinkles sprinkles. We called them jimmies. Have you heard that before?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, we call
East
them
Coast things, love love.
jimmies.
And it fun love
And
love.
it fun love. All right, love love. All right,
Alright,
what cookies are you doing first?
The house.
The hammer.
Okay, I'll do the tree. The try. What are your favorite like sweet snacks? Like, what do you guys like to indulge?
Almonds.
Almonds, like chocolate covered almonds?
Yeah, chocolate covered
Straight up?
almonds.
Just straight up almonds.
No, I love covered, like chocolate covered pretzels. And my favorite recent like candy is Whoppers. Whoppers?
Whoppers.
Whoppers.
You have the Whoppers.
I love a
Give
good
it a little
Whopper.
whooper. Get a little whoopee.
Do you guys know what a whoopie pie is?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Okay.
I'm done with my first cookie.
Some people don't
I'm
know
not
what
so
whoopie pie is. What's your favorite kind of cookie?
I just
Like mine's chocolate chip, like double chocolate chip.
yeah, chocolate chip is just a classic. What
Like a
other-
chocolate dipped chocolate chip cookie.
You know what's the best though? Gingerbread. Like there's something
Or
that
like
just
a
is so
macadamia nut.
different. Construction.
I was like, what was
I'm
that?
done with my
Macadamia nut.
I'm done with my first cookie.
Oh my gosh, you guys did that
Wow.
so quick.
I know.
I finished this. This is my tree.
This is my tree.
This is my house.
This is my tree.
It's a blueberry tree.
Look at my tree.
Oh, I like that. Now that's
is my
beautiful.
house.
That belongs in the
It's
Louvre.
thick. Yeah, my house is thick.
She's thick.
She's a brick.
She has dimensions.
She's a brick house.
Okay, that's good.
Just just a green brick house.
Yeah.
The blue line.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's baking trivia time.
Yeah.
I don't know how much you love trivia.
Yeah.
Okay, true or false? Baking refers to one culinary process. True or false?
False.
True. Sorry, my
False.
cookie just broke. This one.
Who said false?
Me.
Me.
It is false.
Oh. Me will.
Do you have any more insight on that? Like,
Nope.
oh, okay. That's it.
That's it.
We'll do our own research.
A person who prepares baked goods as a profession is called a what?
A person who what? Sorry.
A baker.
A person who prepares baked goods as a profession is called what?
Pastry chef?
Pastry. Oh, pastry chef. Yeah. Baker.
A baker.
Yeah, baker. You guys really were like, oh, okay, is this a trick question? I can tell you.
I said baker first. I did say baker first, and I said, oh, it could be pastry chef.
Could be
I
pastry
did.
chef.
I did say that. I was right. We both get a point.
It's a baker. It's
I'm
a
ahead.
baker. I wipe my hand on your leggings. Sorry, I just don't have a napkin.
Okay. Bread, cakes, pastries, pies, tarts, quiches, cookies, and crackers are sometimes referred to as blank and are sold at a bakery.
I don't know. I'm trying to think. I don't think it's pastries.
Oh, it's me a trick question.
No,
Okay, maybe it's pastries.
it's not pastries.
Oh.
But it's close to pastries.
Baked goods.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a joke.
Yeah, bakery.
I was kidding. Oh my god, it's dyed my hand. I'm turning into the Grinch. Coming in Swamp Mistress.
Pack it up, Alphaba.
Out of all of the baking videos you've done so far, what is your favorite and why? Bianca, go first.
I would definitely say our no-bake cheesecake because that I think turned out the best, and that was definitely the most amazing tasting thing I've ever had in my life. It was so amazing, and I want to do it tomorrow. Ava,
Maybe.
I want to do it tomorrow.
What's your least favorite sweet dessert thing? Like your least favorite?
Okay, that's a little bit. Okay, well, I'll say.
I liked
Just
anything.
pick one thing.
Licorice.
I was
Anything
gonna, yeah, I don't like
licorice.
licorice.
Oh, I thought we meant like cakes and stuff
Well,
like
like
that.
any
anything.
sweet.
Well, licorice is
I'll
definitely a
say
candy.
licorice. I don't really. I just don't really like, okay, I love strawberry shortcake, but I would rather like eat something that's like chocolate if I'm gonna get a cake.
Okay.
And obviously, I'm not gonna say no to strawberry cheesecake.
Like, do you hate coconut? Do you hate?
Well, I'm
like-
allergic, so yes,
Me
I'll say
too.
coconut.
I'm allergic to coconut as well.
Ooh.
No coconut oil.
Oh, guys, comment down below.
Mine already one is broken, so I'm just gonna do
Guys,
these
comment
two.
down below which one you guys like more.
Yeah, let's see them all.
Okay.
They're not pretty, but it's
Hold
not
on.
the point. It's not perfection. It's
Oh.
your imperfection is perfection.
Just get it
Wow.
on your shirt.
No, I just
Yeah.
Where? On the bottom.
Ah!
What do you think of this challenge? Did you have fun?
Me. I love decorating cookies. I know we were a little limited with our icings, but I think we made it work.
Yeah, we did.
And I'm excited to try it.
Work.
Should I take a bite?
I dare you.
Can I eat with the icing? Here, I'll just do a little.
Yum.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's really good. The
Wow,
cookie's
she's
amazing.
really good. Wow, she's really good.
Wow, she's great. She's great.
She's really good.
Thank you guys for having me.
Well, thank you for doing this challenge with us.
Yeah, absolutely.
We had so much fun, and thank you to NBC and FYC for having us at your event. We had so much fun. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!